In this video, we'll show you how to check for leakage and change the seal kit in the SDVU cylinder. But before we begin, let's look at the possible reasons for cylinder leakage. Piston seal damage, wear out, joint o-ring damage, dent on piston rod, dust debris inside the cylinder body and on the piston rod. This is the SPAC SDVU Series Cylinder. Let's understand its key parts. This is the front cup side. This is the rear cup side. This is the barrel. This is the piston rod. These are the masking caps. First, we need to test leakage. Remove the masking caps. Assemble the fitting at the front cup side port. And supply air pressure at the front cup port. Now, apply thick soap to the rear cup side port. If bubbles appear, the piston seal is leaking. Next, apply thick soap at the joint between the barrel and end covers. If bubbles appear, the joint is leaking. Now check the piston rod seal. Apply thick soap to the rod seal. If bubbles appear, the piston rod seal is leaking. Remove the fitting and install it in the rear side port. Supply air pressure and apply soap at the front side port. If bubbles appear, it confirms piston seal leakage. Remove the air supply and fittings. Now let's change the seal kit. Start by unscrewing the front cup bolts using an Allen key. Remove the front cup and take out the piston rod. Observe the damaged piston seals. This is the seal kit. It includes rod seal, piston seals, barrel joint o-rings, and cushion pad. Remove damaged seals from the piston rod and replace them with new ones. Replace joint o-rings with new ones. Remove the damaged rod seal using a tool and replace it with a new one. Apply pneumatic cylinder grease on the piston, rod, and barrel. Now apply SPAC grease inside the barrel with the help of a brush. Reassemble the cylinder carefully. Secure everything using the bolt. Now test for leakage again. Apply thick soap at all test points. If no bubbles appear, the cylinder is rectified and ready to use. Discover the power of SPAC Pneumatic and revolutionize your pneumatic solutions. Just drop a hi at our WhatsApp number 012047333333 or visit our website spacpneumatic.com for more information.